So today we're going to be doing something I rarely ever do. I guess I've been exposed and I need to clarify something. Now there's a video that's been made probably 3 months ago now. In fact, I ignored it, didn't bother even stressing myself about it. But now a reel has been made about the same video to try to get more exposure. So someone DM'd me today saying I should touch on this. So I figured, you know what, it's about time, right? Many of you probably have questions. So let's just clarify things. Let's make it clear and straight to know if I trade demo accounts or not. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check the video out together for those who don't actually know this video or what this video is or what the accusation is. So you'll be very, very clear. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you guys all the proofs that you need to see, etc., etc., to show you that I really do trade prop firms like I say I do. I'm building up my personal account slowly but surely, but I mostly trade prop firms at the moment. So here's the video. I'm just going to watch it real quick. I'm going to leave at...
Go, right there. Oh my God, it takes like half a second. Look. So this is the stuff that I watch to see if he's actually flaunting a demo account or a live account. And then it's crazy to be called out like that. So even for me, when I'm watching this stuff and I'm like, holy crap, this guy caught something that I didn't even see. Let me see, let's go. Oh God, go back to it. 1 second. Ah, dang it. Sorry. Right there. So he's using IC Markets. I use that broker. All right, that's crazy. IC Markets SC demo account. Hedge raw trading. Look at this shit. Like, this is stuff that absolutely pisses me off. He hides it in every single video until he gets caught, right? And then he gets caught. You see stuff like this. How I made $2,000 in 10 minutes scalping XAU USD. Forex.
So that's the video, right? So the main thing is at the top, you can see it says IC Markets demo. And I see I trade prop firm accounts, right? So first thing first, let's just clarify why I don't, let's say, post payouts and stuff, because that's kind of the main thing that most people post to clear things up and show you that you do real stuff. Personally, right, this is just me though. Yes, I can be posting payouts 24/7. I personally feel like it's a bit, you know, everybody does it to draw in beginners, to draw in people, to make you see that, you know what, I make money, here is the cars, here's the watches, here's how much money I make every single time. I don't want to be that guy, right? I find it a bit prideful, so I generally don't do that, right? I let the strategy and how I trade speak for itself. When you've tried it out, if it works for you, then go ahead, rather than luring you in by payouts and all that stuff. Anyway, that's kind of why I don't generally do that. But I did post one payout video recently just to at least clear things up for those who is a bit subjective. So if you go into my YouTube channel, you will see this video. I tried futures trading for 3 days and I got funded. Here's what I learned. This video, I solely made it just to prove a point and I did it on futures. Why futures? Because futures, I know that you can't really, there's no discotheque going on. You can't really be shady at all. But Forex, I can make a whole Forex payout video and everything. People will still say I faked it because Forex is just known to be shady. Futures is a lot cleaner. Everything is regulated in some way. You can't really fake stuff. As far as I know anyway, right? You can't. So I applied the same system that I used to trade on futures, got a payout with it because you can't even, do you get what I'm saying? Like, futures is real, right? But if you want to watch this video, go and watch it at some time just to see exactly what's going on, check the payout, validify everything, etc., etc. That's just one thing to show you guys that I have got payouts before. I do this. This was just done in 3 days just to prove a point. But anyway, that's number one. Now to clarify the demo thing basically that's been said. Here is the simple reason. I believe I've made a video on this before. I just don't remember. But most of the people that I mentor, some people know this as well, because I've told them as a solution to a problem that happens in Forex. So when you trade Forex, right, there is something known as spreads. There are delays. There are issues that will affect what you see on your MT5. So during my journey, because I taught myself how to trade, during my journey of teaching myself how to trade and trying to figure out what can make my trading a lot better, I figured out, you know what, I've mastered a lot of things, but one thing that still affects me, that makes me lose trades when I shouldn't lose a trade, is like greed. And that greed comes in when I enter a trade because of spreads and stuff. There's a delay. So now, if I'm meant to make 1-to-1, for example, I'm meant to get a 1-to-1, I increase my TP to make up for the spreads, right? To make up for the loss on that. And that sometimes I'll miss a trade or lose a trade just because of that extra movement that I do. So I figured, you know, what's the best way to make my trading as tight and perfect, just like my back test, right? Because my back test, when you back test, is usually perfect. There's no spreads, everything is perfect, clean. How can I replicate that one for one? So eventually I realized, you know what? If what I see on my screen is the perfect condition, I don't care what's happening on the prop firms that are paying me out. But as long as what I'm seeing on my screen is perfect, my psychology is going to be perfect, and I'm always going to be doing the perfect things. Always taking a perfect trade, always leaving where I need to. So I decided, okay, you know what? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a trade copier. I'm going to get into this shortly. We're going to use a trade copier. I'm going to use one main account as a track record. And from that account, I'm going to copy trades to these prop firms, to my personal accounts, to whatever accounts I'm trading. That main account is a demo account, is a demo perfect account with no spreads. Everything is uptight, everything is good. And then I copy trade to different accounts. I've been doing this now. So that way, that has perfected my trading, because when I need to leave at 1-to-1, I leave at 1-to-1, because all the numbers are how they need to be. Does that kind of make sense? I hope that makes sense. If you don't understand what that means, just ask in the comments. People that know will clarify this. But now that aside, I'm going to show you guys multiple proofs of all of this that I'm talking about. Multiple proof of me copy trading on silver accounts that actually do pay you. Multiple proofs of my P&L, showing you everything, showing you my whole track record for the whole of March. Because today right now is March the 31st. I'm going to show you exactly how I traded for the entire of March. I'm also going to show you my Discord group, show you exactly how I send the trades, exactly when they hit CP, show you the time difference. So after all of that, once you have all the proof laid out, then people that do have some kind of IQ would understand that, okay, cool, fair enough, this is clean and clear. Those who don't will continue to believe that I somehow still scam people after showing you all the results. So first thing first, let me just show you guys my MT5 P&L, right, for this month, including today as well. So where is she? Cool. So here is the trades I took today. Today happens to be even a day that I even lost the trade, which is fantastic, because I'm going to show you guys my losses as well. So here's the trade I took today. We took 2 trades in Discord today. I'm going to show you how this same trades is on the Discord. This same trades I post in my stories everywhere. But I lost 2 trades today. Everything is all set. If you look at my whole monthly P&L, so the whole month you can see my profit, it says 15k. And then commissions, 6k. Super high, but that's just the game, right? 15k, so that's 15% for the whole of March. So how I copy trade, right, is that now I'm trading one account. Let's say, for example, I'm trading 100k FTMO, for example. I'm going to be using that main account that, you know, is linked to my MT5. I'm copy trading to that FTMO. I'll trade that one, trade that one, trade that one. Eventually, if I want to trade, let's say, 10k FTMO, for example. Now I'm going to turn off the copy trade on the 100k and turn on the trade on the 10k. I'm still trading on this main account, but I'm now trading on the 10k. You get what I'm saying? It's copy trading to the 10k. So pretty much there's one master account, different linked burner accounts, basically, if that makes sense. So let's just scroll. You can see this, right? All my trades are there. 26th, 25th, 24th, all the way up. Let me not bore you guys, but all the way up to literally the start of this month. This is a new account. I decided, let me lock in, trade this for the whole of March, get the data there. Everything is nice and set. You can see from the start of the month all the way to the end of the month, every single day, 15k. That's 15% basically in March. Make sense? Right? Here's the copy trade that I use. I've made a video on this before on Traders Connect. I now copy trade basically using Traders Connect. I don't copy trade to every account all at once and just, you know, have duplicate accounts and trading on every single one. I trade one account at a time. So now here's what's going on basically. You can see these accounts are right here at the moment, the ones that are linked anyway. I have a 10k one, I have the master account right here, and I have another challenge that I'm just currently doing. You can see today I lost 2%. So minus the profits that I was on before, now I'm pretty much back to break even. I mean, back to the, you know, the start of the account basically on this account that I'm actually using, right? But let me show you guys the copier logs. You will see this is today, the 31st. You can see the 10k has been turned off, so it says error, but 200k is turned on in this case, so it went through. You can see the losses, everything is all on there. This is just today. I'm gonna make this 50 roll. Now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how long the track record is all there for. I don't know how far back I can go, but you can just see page 2. I don't know if it's gonna let me keep going back. Page 3, if you look at the date, this is now the 12th. So every trade is literally copied to these accounts. This is the 12th, the 18th, the 19th. We can keep going back. The 7th, there'll probably be more, but sometimes I remove the account because there's a limit. So, you know, I remove an account. So when I remove the account, probably all the trades are no longer here, and then I'll put the different accounts back on. But you can see this goes all the way back to the 3rd, you know, the 6th, the 3rd. So the 6th of March 2025, it's all here. Every trade is all there. It's literally all there. All the trades that I take, it copies from one account to the prop firm account. So you guys understand what I'm saying now? I trade prop firms, but for my personal psychology, I don't want to see no spread. I don't want to see no issues, no hiccups. I want it to be perfect, so I follow my rules to the T. So I copy trades to these prop firms accounts, and I trade prop firms that way. I have past challenges on prop firms. I've got payouts on prop firms. I did it on futures as well, which is a lot more legit. You can't do whatever on futures, and I made a video about it and I showed you guys the results. I got the payout on there. It's all there. I'm not gonna keep posting payouts just because I want to prove a point to you guys. If you take it as it is, basically, right? But that's that. So this is all on here now. I'm going to show you guys TradeZilla now, so you can also see on TradeZilla, because TradeZilla is something that you can't really be sketchy about, as far as I know. When TradeZilla is linked straight to your account, every result on there you can see clear as day on TradeZilla. I'm going to show you guys my whole P&L again for the month, because that's just what's the most recent. Here we are on TradeZilla. You can see the 2 trades that I took today, right? The 2 trades are there. You can see the entire month. I can't fake all of this. The entire month is there. Sometimes you might see 6 trades, 9 trades. Remember what I told you guys? I might trade on one account. Eventually, I'll turn off that account, trade another account, turn off that account, trade another account. So that's why I might take multiple trades. But this shows you the overall P&L regardless, right? So you can see overall, winning week. I mean, this is basically break even. Break even. We had a win here. This is the current trading day. 4 trades. The 4 trades meaning obviously I opened 2 positions per trade. So 2 positions per trade. So it's saying 4 trades in total, but it's not 4 separate trades. We understand that. So this is today. This is the loss that I took today. Every other day you can see right here. Here there is 11 trades because I was going aggressive on a challenge. So I took a lot more trades during New York session. That's why there's anomalies here. But overall, every other trade is literally perfectly fine. You can see all of them there. It's all there. I can't fake these numbers. And I've made other videos. I don't know what videos they are. I've made other videos showing you my P&L on my TradeZilla from past months, etc, etc. It's all there. On here you wouldn't see any because it's a brand new account for a brand new track record. I'm setting, doing a whole new thing. Anyway, it's not touching to that. But this is the track record here on TradeZilla. I don't know how to do a refresh the page, so you can see that this is all clear and legit. Everything is there. 75% day win. This is break even. This is break even. I think it's just commissions that basically reduced it a little bit. But here is it. Here it is, right? Don't know what else to show you guys. But now let's hop onto Discord so you can see exactly the trades that I take on Discord, what time I send them, what time they hit TP, etc. So you can see it clear as day. So here's the Discord, right? I traded with them today. I think there's a part where I lost. Let me just show you guys real quick. We took a loss today and I sent it in saying that's a loss for me or something like that. Just so you know that I don't just hide things. When I lose, I do say I lose. Losing is perfectly normal. I embrace that more than anybody else, and I post my losses pretty much every single time. If I traded demo and I wanted you guys to know I trade demo, I would never post losses. I'll post a loss once a month for something just because it makes me look better, right? I will just always fake my trade, and I would, because it just, it's always the best thing to do. That's what you would do if you were trying to scam people. You can see this trade, we took a trade basically. I said that's an L for me. People said it got stopped out as well. So I do state that I lost. I'm not going to lose a trade and say, oh, I didn't enter this trade, guys, just to make it seem like, maybe other people lost, but I say for some reason I didn't enter the trade. Let's just look at the trades. You will see, for example, I think this was on Friday, the 27th. There was a trade right here. I sent that at 11:11. This is Discord. You can't, bro, I don't know, you can't fake this, right? This is Discord. It's clear as day. If I edited it, it would say edited. 11:11. I told them GBP USD 2 minutes at VIP. We're coming up. You can see this kind of happened. Told them I'm taking a buy. And then eventually we can see on the trade, price came in, played around, boom, took a win, done. And when we win, then I will go on my Instagram and then post the P&L for that as well. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but the P&L is there as well. You'll see GJ somewhere there. It literally shows the win, 2 positions, when I'm done, and that's basically it. The trade is right there, the P&L is there, clear as day. So you can clearly see everything translates, right? We send the trade in, we take the win, you see the P&L, and then that P&L, I then send it on Instagram, so then people can see when I win on IG and when I lose on IG as well. Everyone can see that. If you don't follow me, then you would think there's something to it and you wouldn't really know. But does that, like, do you guys get the process now? That's just one trade. I can show you more the day before or a couple of days before. You see the exact same thing. Send it before it happens, when it hits TP. Send it before it happens, when it hits TP. Before it happens, when it hits TP. And we do this time and time again. This is the whole of March, time and time again. It's all there. All of this anyway is track record for me. I keep all of this for me, but I just have it there as well for those who want to see. And if you don't, for some reason, still believe that everything is all linked, everything is all there, clear as day, I'm not even plugging nothing. Right now, you can join the VIP, right, for free. There's no price to actually enter. Feel free, check the link below or something. Enter, check all of this that I'm showing you, ask questions, ask people, how do I do it? Do I fake anything? Feel free, ask them as many questions as you want. I'm not paying no one, I'm not putting a gun to nobody's head. They will tell you the truth. They will tell you exactly how it is, exactly how I do it. I have nothing to hide. Feel free to join. After that, ask your questions. After that, leave, right? But you've at least got clarity. You know exactly what's going on. Have fun at it. Literally, go ahead. Or follow me on IG, right? You will see me post these trades every single day. It's the exact same trades that I post here that I post on my IG. You will see them. Everything is all there, clear as day. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. Does that kind of clarify things a little bit? Just to make it clear again, the demo is just the master account, right? It's just the master account where I don't see spreads, where everything is as clear and as accurate as it is to my back test. Because my back test is basically data that shows me that if I trade this way, this is how profitable I will be. So I trade as close to those conditions as possible. And my psychology needs to be 10 out of 10. So I create that condition and then I just copy trade those to personal accounts, different platform challenges, etc., and we just rinse and repeat and just do it that way over and over and over again. I don't know if there's anything else that I missed out in this video, but I've tried to clarify as much as I can, tried to show you guys as much as I can. Maybe in the future I'll do more payout videos, but personally I don't want to do that just because, again, I'm not trying to turn into these gurus that will tell you, got a Lamborghini, this is how much I'm making this month, join because they're just using the money to draw you in, not really results. I prefer to show you what I do. You try it out for yourself. If it works for you, feel free, you've learned something. If it doesn't, then you just know it doesn't work for you. It's just, that's what I prefer to show you, right? The daily trades that I post is just, again, it's just simply more, what's the word? It holds me accountable because I'm posting these trades live. I post my losses as well. I keep saying this because if I wanted to fake things, I wouldn't post my losses. I would just post all the wins every single time. But the post, everything is just there as a record for me. In like 5-10 years, I can go back to these and just watch. In fact, sometimes when I'm having a losing streak, I go back to my own videos to watch them just to kind of get myself back together and tell myself, okay, cool, you've been doing this. Anyway, see you in the next one. Peace.